Welcome to Copilot's Transactions tab. In this video, I'll walk you through how to efficiently search, filter, and even create new transactions. First, let's talk about searching and filtering transactions. You have a couple ways to find exactly what you're looking for. You can type in the search bar to find transactions containing a specific word or merchant. For example, searching for Starbucks will show all your transactions containing the word Starbucks. You can also use transaction filters to narrow down your search even further. Apply filters based on transaction type, amount, date, and more. This helps you find specific transactions that meet one or more of your custom criteria. On the iPhone app, when editing your transactions, you can long press on a transaction to enable bulk editing, then select multiple transactions to apply actions to them all at once, including changing the category, review status, and transaction type. To bulk edit in the Mac and iPad apps, you can select any of the checkboxes to the left of the transaction name to see the bulk editing options, or else you can select the check in the top bar to select everything in the view or particular filter for editing. On the Mac and iPad app, Copilot lets you export specific transactions after applying filters or searching by merchant. This makes it super easy to keep track of your finances outside of the app or share your transaction data with others if you want. On the iPhone app, you can also export all transactions from the Account section in Settings across any device. Next, let's dive into the Transaction Detail view. This is a view accessible multiple places in the app, where you can view and edit transaction details, like changing the transaction date, name, or category. To update any of the info related to the transaction, simply tap on it. Then you'll be prompted to edit information like transaction name, date, and category. If needed, you can also split transactions or mark them as recurring right from this view as well. Lastly, to create new manual transactions, click the plus symbol next to the search button on Mac and iPad, or tap on Add a New Transaction button in the iOS app. You can manually add any transaction to any account, whether it's for income, expenses, or anything else. And that's the Transactions tab in Copilot. Whether you're searching, editing, splitting, exporting, or creating transactions, Copilot has you covered. You can access our in-app support to view a full library of our Help Center articles and video resources, upvote feature requests, or contact our customer success team directly with any questions.